This manufacturing job starts at over $21 an hour, includes fully paid health insurance, and offers a fixed yearly schedule. But before you apply, you should know exactly what the work involves. McCain Foods is hiring prime cutter operators at their Burley, Idaho facility. This is a full time manufacturing role focused on operating and maintaining potato cutting equipment. Prime cutter operators are responsible for running potato cutting machines, monitoring product quality, and making sure production runs smoothly. The role also involves cleaning equipment and performing basic maintenance tasks. Daily tasks include operating cutters and wet graters, sharpening or replacing blades, clearing line jams, and maintaining sanitation standards. Attention to detail is critical in this role. One advantage of this role is a fixed schedule for the entire calendar year. However, the job is physically demanding and requires working around industrial machinery for long periods. One advantage of this role is a fixed schedule for the entire calendar year. However, the job is physically demanding and requires working around industrial machinery for long periods. Candidates need a high school diploma or GED, mechanical aptitude, and basic computer skills to enter data and adjust machine settings. Prior food processing experience is helpful but not required. McCain Foods offers one of the strongest benefit packages in manufacturing. Health, dental, and vision insurance premiums are fully paid for employees and eligible dependents, along with paid time off, holidays, and a 401k match. This job is ideal for workers who enjoy hands on manufacturing roles, value stability, and are comfortable with structured schedules and physical work. If you prefer flexible hours, desk work, or low physical effort, this role may not be the right fit. The prime cutter operator role at McCain Foods offers solid pay, excellent benefits, and long term stability, but it also requires physical effort, attention to detail, and comfort with industrial environments. If you want honest breakdowns of real American jobs, you'll find more videos like this here.